Here's how to draw position versus time graphs in physics. Again, all we need to do is consider what the acceleration is. Since this dog no longer has the force of the rocket engines accelerating it up, but it's still in the air, the dog is in what we call a state of free fall. And any object that's in free fall is only going to have an acceleration due to gravity, which is a negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So since the acceleration is negative, we're going to use the concave down curve. The final step is to connect the last two time points, from when the dog is at its maximum height to when it reaches the ground. Again, we have three options. We can draw a straight line, we can draw a concave up curve, happy face, or we can draw a concave down curve, sad face. Since in the word problem it states that the dog falls back down to the ground at a constant speed, this means the acceleration is 0. And since the acceleration is 0, we're going to use the straight line to connect these last two time points. And there you have it. That's how to draw position versus time graphs in physics. In the next lesson, we'll go over how to draw the velocity versus time graph and the acceleration versus time graph.